will solve Geek for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today we solve problem number 7, print pattern set 1. So you are given a number and you need to print the pattern for given value of n. For n equals to 2, the pattern will be this. For n equals to 3, so pattern will be this. Now instead of printing a new line, print $sign without quotes. After printing, the total output end of the line is expected. So first we will solve this problem. Now we use the approach of nesting loop. So we write the code for this problem. First int I equals to 0, I greater than n I plus plus. Then we make two variables. First is count equals to where we store the last index of n, so n minus I. Now second variable will be temporary, where we store the value of n. Now we use second for loop, int j equals to 0, j greater than n multiplied by n minus I, and increment by j plus plus. So now we check if count equals to 0, then we assign the value of count n minus I. So we n minus value assign in count variable. So and decrease the value of temporary variable. Now we print simply temporary variable. So we write the print statement system dot out dot print temporary and space. Now we decrease the value of count, decrease by 1. Now we write the sign of dollar. So now we print the $sign, system dot out print $sign, dollar symbol. So now we compile and run this code. So wait. Code is compiled and successfully run. Now submit all test cases. All the test cases has been passed. If you want C, C++ and Python code, then you can check the description. Thank you.